Chia seeds are tiny black or white seeds that come from the Salvia hispanica plant, which is native to Mexico and Guatemala. Despite their small size, these seeds pack a powerful nutritional punch. Chia seeds are an excellent source of fiber, protein, and healthy fats. They are also rich in important vitamins and minerals, such as calcium, magnesium, and zinc. In addition, chia seeds are loaded with antioxidants, which can help to protect your cells from damage caused by free radicals. Chia seeds and weight loss. One of the most popular benefits of chia seeds is their ability to aid in weight loss. Chia seeds are high in fiber, which can help to keep you feeling full and satisfied for longer periods of time. This can help to reduce your overall calorie intake and promote weight loss. Additionally, chia seeds are low in calories and high in protein, which can help to boost your metabolism and burn fat. Chia seeds and digestive health. Chia seeds are also beneficial for digestive health. The high fiber content in chia seeds can help to promote regular bowel movements and prevent constipation. Additionally, chia seeds are a prebiotic food, which means they help to feed the good bacteria in your gut. This can help to promote a healthy balance of bacteria in your digestive system, which is essential for overall health. Chia seeds and heart health. Chia seeds are a heart-healthy food, thanks to their high content of omega-3 fatty acids. These healthy fats can help to reduce inflammation in the body and lower the risk of heart disease. Additionally, chia seeds are a good source of fiber, which can help to lower cholesterol levels and improve blood pressure. Chia seeds and brain function. Chia seeds are rich in important nutrients that are essential for brain function, such as omega-3 fatty acids and antioxidants. These nutrients can help to protect the brain from damage caused by free radicals and improve cognitive function. Additionally, chia seeds are a good source of protein, which is important for the production of neurotransmitters that regulate mood and behavior. Chia seeds and blood sugar control. Chia seeds have a low glycemic index, which means they can help to regulate blood sugar levels. They are also high in fiber, which slows down the absorption of sugar into the bloodstream. This can help to prevent spikes in blood sugar levels and reduce the risk of type 2 diabetes. Chia seeds and bone health. Chia seeds are a good source of calcium, magnesium, and phosphorus, which are essential nutrients for bone health. In fact, they contain more calcium than most dairy products. These nutrients work together to strengthen bones and reduce the risk of osteoporosis. Easy ways to incorporate chia seeds into your diet. Adding chia seeds to your diet is easy and convenient. You can sprinkle them on top of your cereal or yogurt, mix them into your smoothie, or add them to your baked goods. You can even make a chia seed pudding by mixing them with almond milk and sweetener of your choice. Chia seeds are a versatile and nutritious addition to any diet. We hope you found these articles informative and helpful. If you enjoyed this content, please consider liking, sharing, and subscribing to our channel for more educational and engaging videos. By subscribing, you'll be the first to know when we upload new content that can help you live a healthier and happier life. If you haven't subscribed yet, we encourage you to do so now. Don't miss out on valuable information that can improve your health and well-being. Thank you for watching.